There's a steep 1 kilometre trail from the race ground to the bottom of the gorge. Matt will ride it, but he's found me another way down. The world's longest abseil, taking on a terrifying 200-metre high waterfall.
There's nothing cool about this, mate. One thing goes wrong, you fall to your death. How the f have I ended up here?
This will probably be the best thing you've ever done. It's going to be a cool race. I'm going to get to the top of the trail, mate. Good luck, dude. You got it.
I've spent my whole career risking life and limb, but heights have always been my greatest fear.
It's like being up in an aeroplane.
Me and Rob had a little catch-up, and he is struggling with the notion of going over that edge, so he's going to have to find a way of dealing with it.
Have you seen how far it is down to the river?
I'm at the top of the trail, mate. I'm ready to drop in, so tell me when you're locked and loaded.
All right. I don't think I can do this.
OK, Rob, mate. I'm dropping in 3, 2, 1, go. Come in.
Come on then. Me. Oh, me. Oh.
I've already hit unrideable terrain. This definitely isn't rideable, so we've got to get off on foot, which sucks, but I can adopt the mountain goat approach.
I've made it about 50 metres down. Even on foot, Matt's making quicker progress than me.
Come on, Ed. Please. Please. I just want to be at the bottom. I'm in the middle of nowhere on my own, dangling from a rope, trying to win a race. Quite frankly, that's the least of my problems right now. Oh, come on, I must be nearly there. I must be nearly there. Look, I'm nearly there. I'm done it, haven't I? Ah! Oh, yeah. Oh, my days, man. That was one of the worst things I've ever done.
You're joking! You're here already. How was that?
The worst bit was getting over the top.
Look what you just come down.
I really thought when I hit the ground that I might feel, you know, absolutely like ecstatic. And even now I don't. Like sat here looking at it, it just brings out this emotion in me that I don't ever want to do anything like that again in my whole life, quite frankly.
Well done.
Thanks, dude.